Hello, this is Capabilitics and welcome to today's session. In today's brief video, we are going to see how we can run the Poisson regression model using the STATA platform. So in our previous video, we discussed the assumption check that we need to undertake to help us decide whether we will use a Poisson regression or a negative binomial regression model. So you may want to watch that video again to enlighten yourself about it. Assuming that we want to run a Poisson regression on the data using the STATA platform, we first have to type Poisson, Poisson, and then our outcome variable should be a count variable. So we are looking at a number of attendants to A and C, and then we want to see how marital status and parity, religion, mother's education, residence, all have a role to play in it. So then we'll add this line of code, robust, and then we want to present the incident rate ratio. So that with this simple code, we are able to run the Poisson regression, and it gives us incident rate ratio. So we click on enter, and then we wait a while for the analysis to run. So it starts by giving us an iteration. It gives us an iteration 0, 1, the log pseudo likelihood ratios or values. Then the Poisson regression gives us the number of observations, the wild chi-square, the p-value, and the pseudo r-square, as well as the log pseudo likelihood values. And then here we have the IRR values presented, and then the robust standard errors, the p-value, and the confidence interval. And so usually interpret using the incident rate ratio and then the significant p-value. So usually we want to pay attention to the significant p-values and look at how this and then the confidence intervals have. You can actually change the confidence interval to by typing the level 90%. So that changes the confidence interval. So here we have 90% instead of the original by default 95%. So that is how you can equally change the confidence interval for what you are running. And it gives us the incident rates and the IR, the incident rate ratios. So that is how we can be able to run the Poisson regression, given the count outcome and the predictors. It's also able to help you to get your incident rate ratios and the confidence interval, as well as the associated p-values. Basically, this is how you can be able to run the Poisson regression analysis using the STATA platform. If you find this content useful, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you are always notified whenever a new video is released. Till we meet again on our next one, this is Capabilitics, and it's a wrap.